problem, no shells.
There we go. Beautiful. Right, thank you.
I have a few pictures. I'll pass you over here to the lovely Olivia that I'm new. Are you stopping for a little photo, Mary, or are you going straight in?
No problem, no shouting.
Well, I think that Christopher has done so much to bring Burberry into the modern age, whether it's through the brilliance of his design or his use of technology. And I think that his leadership is to be celebrated on all levels, and that Burberry's is extremely lucky to have him. Well, I think that he's a leader and he's an innovator. I think he puts England in the forefront of business, fashion, certainly very helpful to the economy. And you know, as I said, I think Christopher's really one of the great lights in British fashion.
Well, I think it's a great brand to wear. It's a great brand. We use them in our movies. We work with them all the time. It's super cool. Bradley Cooper's wearing a Burberry suit in his new film. Sienna Miller's wearing a really cool dress. So it's a cool brand, and Christopher's cool.
Well, I think that Kate and Cara have a personal take of life that makes them look that they live a better life than anybody else, and that makes them just more exciting. I want to be with them. I try to find excuses to be with them. Well, I think that Burberry has been very clever how they've been consistent and stayed online. I think a lot of companies try to run after the latest thing that comes up. And well, Burberry through Christopher or Christopher through Burberry, I don't know, has been very consistent. I personally have been with them for over 16 years. And not because it's me, they could have chosen somebody else, but the fact of staying with somebody that sees the company in one way makes it, I don't know, a lot more consistent, and it's that consistency. And I think that the idea of bringing it back to London was an amazing idea, because they didn't only make themselves look bigger, but make the city look more important.
Well, Christopher's got very good taste in music, and he really listens to British music. There's always he's really passionate about it.
I know that every year there's something completely unexpected, completely original, completely different. So, it's going to be nice to sit back, relax, and just watch it and just, check the dresses I'm going to wear in my next season of my big shows.
Burberry always offer a great show experience. I can't wait to see what Christopher has prepared for us today.
I'm so happy to get the invitation from Burberry. This is my first time to Burberry show, so I love Burberry.
I'm really looking forward to the collection, and since it's my first time, I think this venue is beautiful. So I think it'd be nice to just spend a good afternoon.
For me, I think it's just very creative, very new for me especially, and very young designers for me.
When our long days and the heat haze start to fade, we can hide under sheets, under heavy covers, so deep as the night draws in. It will be slow-hearted lovers till the clocks go forward again, again, yeah, no. Drifting apart, getting harder to hold you. Days getting dark and next time there's no doubt, 'cause I can't go without scars this time. I made up my mind, we can't leave us behind. Oh no, us behind anymore, no. Darkness bleeding in, the sun is getting low. Oh, 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 oh no, oh no, oh, oh, oh no, yes.
The inspiration for the show was this idea of something very strong with something very fragile. We called the collection The Birds and the Bees. It's said with a little irony, but it was also there as a title because we liked this idea of something very natural, something that felt very free. But what we wanted to do with that was play with the joyousness of colour, the joys of fashion, and play with a lot of prints, and that juxtaposition between something that's very transparent with something very solid. The exciting thing about the trench coat that we just did in the finale was no trench coat was the same. So every single print was slightly different, every colour was slightly different, and then and that was all about this idea of, even though it's the classic, it can still be personal, it can still be individual, and I think that's a philosophy that we work a lot with.
Love the colors, love the prints, and also love the clothing. When the trenches come out, it's linked to the season, but at the same time linked to its DNA. And I feel it's so well done, and I feel very, very energized by the show.
So many people, are just, caught up with Burberry and enamored by it, and today was no exception.